Hi guys, this is a week in my life. No, it's not. This is a week of workouts video. Low-key, I've been really bad about filming because I've filmed the gym, but I didn't give an intro. It's on what I was filming, what I'm doing, so I don't go too crazy on upper body just because my main focus is my glutes, as you guys know, but I still like to build upper body just to kind of give that hourglass shape, and I love toned arms. I really need to work on that. I am gonna rest on Friday, Saturday, because that's when I like to hang out with friends and just kind of have me time. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's just begin. Even though I didn't do an intro and it's literally Wednesday, oopsie. It is what it is. Let's get into the week of workouts and I'll show you guys Sunday first. But don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Bailey M. Stewart, and also follow my TikTok because I do fitness content there as well. And yeah, this video was highly requested, so I wanted to do it for you guys. I know it's been a hot minute since I've pushed out fitness content, but we're gonna get back on that grind. Hopefully my health stays good so I can keep putting it out. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cable machine sissy squat. I'm doing 3 sets of 10 reps. I saw this on TikTok and wanted to try it. So you're placing the bar behind your knees, and I just took a 25-pound plate and held it while I squat. That way I had some weight. And then we're going to be supersetting with the dumbbell wide stance RDL. Again, 3 sets of 10 reps. I absolutely love this movement for the glutes. It's fire, chef's kiss. I always incorporate this movement on one of my leg days. So we're going to be using a wider stance, and then we're going to be hip hinging. So imagine a rope pulling your hips back. And then we're going to be doing hip thrusts, so 4 sets, 2 sets of 10 reps, and then 8 and 6. I'm going up in weight each set, so then my reps are going to go lower. I do hip thrusts every leg day. And then we're going to be doing trap bar RDLs, again 4 sets, 2 sets of 10 reps, then 8 and 6, increasing the weight each rep. I lately have been loving using the trap bar for RDLs. I think it's just, yeah, I don't know, I like it. And then I'm just supersetting that with some donkey kickbacks, 4 sets of 10 reps. And then I'm going to be doing single leg step ups, 4 sets of 10 reps, using the hack squat. And then I'm going to be supersetting that with reverse hack squats and 4 sets of 10 reps as well. Hi guys, so I was filming all day and then had to run some errands, and then time got away from me and I was like, oh crap, I got a gym. I don't like going to the gym at night. As soon as it gets, I don't do nighttime gym. 1, because it's super crowded at night. 2, safety reasons, and I'm in a rush, so I had to get to the gym. I didn't have time. I literally came home, put all my stuff that I got away, and quickly put on gym outfit, and I'm here. Today I'm doing back and biceps. I don't really do much for biceps, so bicep curls and this and that. It's not really something I'm trying to grow, but I still incorporate it. And then I'm probably going to do some calves because I forgot to do calves leg day. So I need to do those today because, y'all have seen my calves. Notice how I switch to a lighter weight when I switch sides. I do lighter weight on my stronger side since I have scoliosis. And then I'm doing cable machine bicep curls, 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. I honestly should have used something other than the rope because it just kept flopping around weirdly, and it was, yeah, not ideal. So like I was saying, because I have scoliosis, I use a heavier weight on my weaker side, and then I use a lighter weight on my stronger side. That way it builds up the weaker side and it's just kind of maintaining the stronger one. Doing this has not only helped like build up the weaker side muscle, but it has helped tremendously with my back pain from scoliosis. Next, we're going to be doing just a normal deadlift for 3 sets of 10 reps. So for my Smith machine calf raises, I'll do 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, but I also put my feet on a plate just to get a little bit of a better elevation. Alright guys, so today's Tuesday. Normally I only train legs like 2 times a week. Occasionally, if I'm not sore, I'll fit in a third. And so today, surprisingly, I trained Sunday. Surprisingly, I'm not sore, so I think I'm going to take advantage of that and hit legs again. If I am still sore, I'll usually just like go for a walk or do like glute resistance band movements and maybe some abs, either at home or at the gym. Do some like lightweight stuff, but yeah, don't, if you're still sore from like last leg day, don't train legs again, because you're just going to be overworking the muscle, and then it's not going to, like, you might think, oh, the more I train, the more I'm going to grow. That is false. Alright, after we've stretched, we're going to start with squats. I'm doing 5 sets of 8 to 10 reps, going up in weight each set. We're going to superset that with close stance heel elevated goblet squats for 4 sets of 12 reps. I'm using a 50-pound dumbbell, but obviously use what weight feels comfortable for you. And then of course, hip thrusts, 5 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Again, I do hip thrusts every leg day. Doesn't matter if it's hamstring or quad focused. And then we're going to be doing leg press for 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And then I'm going to be doing Bulgarian split squats for 3 sets of 10 reps. I absolutely hate this movement, mainly because I just have such bad balance, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then as my finisher, I did landmine front squats for 2 sets of 15 reps. we're going to be doing barbell shoulder press for 4 sets of 10 reps. And then we're going to superset that with barbell front raises, again 4 sets of 10 reps. It's been a hot minute since I've consistently been doing upper body, so I low-key was struggling that day. Yeah, everything just felt super heavy, not gonna lie. And then we're going to be doing upright rows, 4 sets of 10 reps, and I'm just using 20 pounds, a little baby weight. For this movement, you're basically just bringing the bar up to your chin. And then we're going to be doing around the worlds for 3 sets of 10 reps. Like I said, I was struggling even with this itty bitty weight, but you know what, it's okay. And then we're going to superset that with bent over rear delts, again 3 sets of 10 reps. Alright, so our warm-up is going to be resistance bands, sumos into RDLs. We're going to start with KAS hip thrusts, 4 sets of 10, 10, 8, 6. And for KAS hip thrust, you're not going all the way down. It's almost like when you're doing pulses. And then we're going to be doing glute bridges for 4 sets, 10, 10, 8, 6 reps, going up in weight each set. Next, we're going to be doing front squats for 4 sets to 10 reps on the Smith machine. I like to do front squats on quad focused days just because front squats target the quads more. And then we're going to be doing the leg extension machine for 3 sets of 10 reps. And then last, we're going to be doing sumo deadlifts, 3 sets of 10 reps as well. I absolutely love sumo deadlifts. They have been a staple in my workout since I started lifting. Yeah, I ain't getting rid of them. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching this week of workouts. Comment any questions down below, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.